Alright, let's shoot this sample.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This is not gonna go well.
Okay.
This is not going well. Oh gosh. Yo, what's up guys, Prince Charming. We're gonna be checking out the SML movie, Jeffy Has the Hiccups, on today's video. So I've seen this video in the past, but it was like a year and a half ago, 2 years, so trust me, I don't remember it. I'm gonna be, reacting to old SML videos because a lot of them got copyrighted, so bear with me. Like I said, I do not remember, so it's gonna be, new to me. But don't forget to hit me with a like, subscribe, and go ahead and comment the longest episode of Hiccups you've ever had. I've had an episode of Hiccups that lasted a good day or two, and hiccups are not fun to have. Like, I don't like hiccups. They're annoying. You're in the middle of a sentence and you hiccup, or you're in the middle of eating, then you hiccup. Like, it's just very inconvenient. So yeah, don't like hiccups, and it lasted about a day or two, so that wasn't fun. But enough of me talking, let's go and check out the SML movie, Jeffy Gets Hiccups. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom.
Hiccups are so annoying.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy,
Why?
stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them.
Yeah, nobody likes hiccups. They're pretty annoying. Like, I agree with Mark. Okay, Jeff. Okay.
Okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe.
Hold your breath. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it, bro. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. You got it.
Oh, okay, you breathe.
Okay, Jeffy. Are you kidding me, Jeffy?
Oh no.
How did you?
Jeffy.
What?
A kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Are you kidding me? Okay, no more Jeffy.
CPR.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy.
Thanks, Daddy.
This man actually held his breath until he passed out. I didn't even know that was humanly possible. Can you actually hold your breath until you pass out? Thought there has to be something stopping you because, instinct. You're gonna take a breath. There's no way you can just do and pass out. There's no way, because instinct is gonna force you to take a breath. You can't just do that. But it's it's Jeffy, so anything is possible. He's the same kid who has a pencil lodged up in his nose. Like, that has to be hitting some sort of brain by now. Could you imagine, like, shoving a pencil? I don't know, I don't really have a pencil on me, but can you imagine shoving it all the way up your nose? And that's a long pencil. I know how long those pencils be. I was in college. I had to use Scantrons. Had to use a number 2 pencil. Them pencils are pretty big, so in order for it to be jammed up his nose like that, it has to be somewhere in the back of his head.
What? Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's call a doctor. He's gonna help get rid of those because I can't stand them. They're annoying.
Don't call Brooklyn T guy. He's not gonna help.
Emergency.
Okay, my son has hiccups.
What do you want him to do? Thank you. Thank you.
Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now.
Exactly.
Helping a kid with hiccups.
Hiccups.
Stop hitting him. Oh, he has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll call
He's just gonna change his outfit.
Hiccup specialist.
Yep.
It's me.
What, a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years at hiccup school.
So why'd you hit him?
No,
Okay.
no, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah.
Ugh, he probably got hot breath. Ew.
Pepperonis.
Gross.
Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom.
That didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work. All right,
Step
well,
2
if that didn't
now.
work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom. No, not quite.
It's not working.
I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom!
Nope. Try again. You almost had it.
There was the steel.
Oh, okay. So
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically boom.
I don't think you're gonna scare it out of him.
Come on, follow me.
My man Jeffy got nerves of steel. Like, ain't no little a boo gonna scare him. Like, come on, Jeffy has been through it all. And I never thought, scaring hiccups away worked. I do believe in holding your breath. Holding your breath and drinking water whenever you have hiccups, that works a lot. Like, that is the instant cure. I remember watching on the cartoons, like, all these old-fashioned ways to get rid of hiccups, and they really think it's scaring. Like, why would I want my heart rate to accelerate just to to get rid of hiccups while I can just, hold my breath like this and then it'll go away easily. I swear, man, moms know all these DIYs. Like, she gave me Sprite whenever I had a stomach ache. Robitussin. Y'all black families know about Robitussin. And then what are the other ones? Oh, yeah. My mom didn't teach me this, but biting into an apple to get rid of a loose tooth. That's not fun. It's very painful. I don't advise you to do it. But yeah, there's many DIYs that you can do at home yourself. That's what it means. DIY, do it yourself. It's still not working.
Yeah, still nothing.
Come on. Try a new tactic.
Stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
A balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
He likes that balloon.
Boom!
Okay, that was pretty scary.
Man, I really thought that was going to work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy? Yeah.
Suck it. Oh. Okay. I thought I was going to tell him to suck the helium.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
What is a balloon popping gonna
Stage
do?
3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
It scares the kids. He's still trying to scare him.
Where's my dinner?
Oh!
I got laid off at work today, Sharon.
Oh no, what are you doing?
What is this? Soggy cookie crisps?
Soggy!
Again, Sharon?
Soggy Cookie Crisps. Cookie Crisps get soggy like that.
Kids so I can yell at him. Don't make me get the mask. Boom! Yeah. Did that work?
How did he put it on so fast?
Alright, on to stage 4. Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Okay, he's not professional.
Crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
What happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But
Just
if
to
I
get
hit the
rid
apple,
of
it'll be
hiccups.
awesome.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my goggles. Boom!
And it's still not working.
Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
I'm starting to think that maybe Brooklyn T Guy does not have the qualifications that he says he has. He said he did 5 years of Hiccup school. Didn't even know that was a thing. Well, apparently clown school is a thing. Like, there's a school of people go to learn how to be a clown. Like, my ex went to that school. She got a degree in it and everything because, she a clown. You get it? No, but seriously, Mario, why are you letting Brooklyn T Guy do this to your son? Like, I know Jeffy's annoying and all, but this is a crossbow and an apple just to get rid of hiccups. At some point, you got to ask yourself, is it really worth it? Do I really trust this man that literally just changes his shirts and becomes a new profession to get rid of hiccups? Mario, why are you even calling a doctor over hiccups? Just tell this boy to hold his breath. That's all you got to do. Now you got to pay this huge medical bill because you were too lazy to parent.
Alright, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This is not going to go well.
Okay.
This is not going well. Oh gosh.
Jeffy!
Oh, he did it!
Yeah. Well, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot!
He did it! That was
Those
dope.
hiccups.
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
Damn!
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
The hole in my wall.
Alright, so stage 5, we got a bomb here!
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a
Oh,
bomb!
gosh.
Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of the wires, and he cuts the wrong one and explodes and we all die!
Well, which wire does he cut?
Jeffy,
Black one.
cut the right one.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary! We gotta get rid of those hiccups!
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
Cut the right one.
Which one to pick?
Oh gosh.
Jeffy!
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh.
Meeny, miny,
Don't do eeny meeny. Oh. He did it.
Did it
Oh,
work? Did I scare you?
okay. It didn't
Why
work.
did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick. Oh, yeah. Anyway, on to the next one.
Oh my goodness, Brooklyn T
So
Guy.
with stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
Okay, there's many things that I would do to get rid of hiccups. I wouldn't do the crossbow and apple thing, but this is absolutely over the limit. Brooklyn T Guy wants my man Jeffy to jump out of a plane with no parachute just so he can be afraid enough to get rid of the hiccups, bro. You did not do 5 years of hiccup school because I know they did not teach you this. The crossbow should have been enough to scare him because you see how powerful that was? It went through the chair and through the wall. Like, that is some Daryl from Walking Dead power, bro. That is not a Toys R Us crossbow. He got the real thing. Hopefully Jeffy lives through this. Bro, I completely forgot this episode. Like, I don't know what happens. I'm telling you guys. Completely forgot it. So, hopefully Jeffy is not really going to jump out of this plane with no parachute because if he does, It's R.I.P. Jeffy. There's no way you're surviving that.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
What,
The Twister Man?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game.
Oh, the
Yeah,
Twister
As long as he
Mat.
lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
All right, Jeffy. There you go. Bye. Hopefully. Okay, he did
Hey, are
it.
you okay?
Well, you landed left hand on red, so I think it's a win in my book.
What is his hiccups gone?
And it's not gone.
What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The
Ooh.
worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Having a baby mama? Tom Thumb.
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good.
Did he just get
What'd
pet
I order?
food?
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. What?
You left your wallet at home?
Wait, where's my wallet?
Is that scary?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it, and I drank my drink. But
He planned this. He planned
Your
this.
wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation!
Oh my gosh.
How are we gonna pay you? What are we doing?
You leave.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know.
How is that
I don't know what
scary?
to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for. Boom!
Did that work? No, it didn't.
All right.
Didn't
I
work.
had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
That's gonna suck.
I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Is that a
Get
fly?
You stupid fly!
So he's afraid of flies, but nothing else.
Fly.
I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
No hiccups.
Yeah.
It's all gone.
I think so.
What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
It worked. It actually worked.
No, please don't tell me.
All right. I'm gonna go get the crossbow.
He has hiccups. That was it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Wow, at the end of it, Jeffy actually lost his hiccups, and then Mario is the one who has hiccups now. Like, are hiccups contagious? Because Mario, looks like you caught that disease. Flies are scary, but they're not like, oh my gosh, a fly. Like, if I see a housefly in my apartment, it's more annoying. It's more of a nuisance. It's not scary. What's scary is like a wasp. Or a roach. I hate roaches. Like, if you know me, you know I hate roaches. Roaches are enough for me to want to stand on a chair. Like, that is probably the only insect. That and a rat. Like, come on, it's a rat. Like, of course you won't stand on a chair. But a roach, bro, they're quick, they're gross, they're nasty, they can fly. Like, you're not safe from them. You're their prey. But don't forget to hit me with a like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you want to reply from yours truly, Prince Charming. My name is Prince Hiccup. Stay charming, my friends.